Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel One to Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can join family or your live on Bigo Live app. To do so, first of all, you need to go into your Bigo Live app and open up your account, and you'll be on the live page of Bigo Live. And if you are on the home page or on the live page, you can see all the lives that are happening near you or popular lives that are currently happening. You can simply click on any one of them and you'll be able to join the family, and you'll be able to communicate, talk, and discuss your many kinds of things that you want on the live itself. And that is simply how you can join family or join live in your Bigo Live app. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.